Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ankita Azhar and today I am going to discuss with you guys why do we celebrate Children's Day. So now let's start. Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This day is celebrated as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on his birthday. This day is also known as Bal Divas. He was fondly, lovingly, and popularly known as Chacha Nehru among children. The Children's Day celebration across the country is a recognized to raise awareness about the rights, care, and education of children. Dear children, you are a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day to all my lovely and dearest students. Every children is a special and unique. Let's make their childhood memorable by ensuring them a better life. Bye bye. Take care. And lastly, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.